What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to go over the best credit cards for everyday spending. This is something that I found online. I found a list online. I kind of deleted some because I don't agree with some. So I kind of made the list my own, but then also adopted the list in some form or fashion. But we'll get into that in just a second. Before I start, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I do a podcast every week. I release those podcasts on Sunday, so make sure you check out that podcast, the channel down below, also the clips channel with all the different clips. I'm going to be uploading, like I said, on Sunday, so check out that channel. And I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards, but I can get into the breakdown of that at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around till then. So everyday spending, I know, I preach so much about normal spending, and right now I'm talking about best cards for everyday spending. Kind of contradicting, kind of being a hypocrite in some form or fashion, and I don't like it, but whatever. These are credit cards that are out there, and if you know how to spend money, then they'll be good for you. But don't go out there and just spend all of your money with these credit cards because you get rewards back. You're not going to have enough spending to eclipse the cost, no matter what you do, because it's not like you're getting $1.01 for every dollar that you spend. You're getting basically 1 cent for every dollar that you spend, and that's you're going to spend $1 million doesn't mean you're going to get $1,001,001. You know what I mean? Like that's not how it works. So these are for everyday spending, and make sure you spend wisely, especially around this holiday season. But maybe you bought all your gifts, and now you're going to get this card and use it towards your monthly bills or whatever. But this is good for everyday spending, and if you use it the right ways, it'll work for you. So let's get into the first card. The first card that I have here is the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. This card for everyday spending will give you 1.5% cash back. Now that's a little above average. I consider average to be 1% or between 1 and 1.5 because it's starting to creep up to that 1.5% because a lot of cards are starting to offer 1% with like a 50% bonus or 1.5% or even 2%, and it's making the 1.5 look a little bit average compared to 2% on everything that you spend. So 1.5 is a good value because no matter what you spend money on, whether it's bills or whether it's candy at the corner store or whatever, like I don't know what you have and what you spend money on, but no matter what you spend money on, as long as you're purchasing it, you're getting cash back, which is a good thing. The next card, which I kind of don't agree with, but I do, just because it has an annual fee, but since the first year is waived, it makes sense. The Capital One Venture card, which gives you 2 times miles on every purchase that you make, that's pretty good. It's basically equivalent of 1% or 2%. So that's the way that I look at that. 2% is better than 1.5%, so it gives you cash back or it gives you points on every single thing that you buy. But I was a little skeptical because of the annual fee. If you were looking to keep it long term, then it might be a bad option for you, because if you're just looking to do everyday spending, it's not going to give you the value that you would hope. And that's why I don't really like this card too much. It's a good card in certain situations, but it's not the best card. The next card that I have on here is the Citi Double Cash card, or as some people will get mad at me for saying, the Citi Double Cashback card. So the Citi Double Cashback card will give you 2% cash back on every single purchase. So it gives you 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. Now, that's an amazing way of doing it because technically you can use the 1% when you buy to credit your statement. And that's an amazing way of doing it. But if you don't want to do it that way, you can just build up the cash back and then go from there. But either way, you're gaining 2% as long as you buy it and you pay it off. Now, if you just buy it, you're gaining 1%. But then if you don't pay it off, you're not going to gain that other 1%. But you'll still gain 1%. This is kind of a flaw, I guess. If somebody has a $10,000 limit, then that might be a bad situation for the credit card company, because if they're one of those people that don't pay off balances, then they're getting cash back for the money that they spent, even though they're not going to pay it off. That's a little flaw, but I guess you don't have many people that think that way, and Not saying that I do things that way. Obviously, I know how to use credit cards, but still, you gain 2% in total. So all in all, it's a great card. I have this card. It's in this thing right here. Actually, I have a lot of these cards in here. I'm not going to show you guys. If you're interested in this is down below, the credit card organizer. I love this thing. So I could put all my old credit cards in here. I'm not going to show you what the credit cards are because you're going to see all the numbers. But you have a ton of credit cards in here, or credit card spaces that you can just put credit cards. And I mean, I love it. So any new credit cards that I get, or any new credit cards that I get that take up a space in the wallet, which I just got my Citi Best Buy card, which may replace something because I don't really have space in there, but I don't know if I'm going to buy any more electronics or buy anything elsewhere with that. But the Citi Double Cash card is in here. I'm not using it right now. I believe I'm using the Citi Rewards Plus card with small purchases. I can get a lot of value out of that. But we'll get into that next. So the Citi Rewards Plus card. The Citi Rewards Plus card is a good card. I love this card. It does only give you 1 times back, 1 times points, but it has the whole roundup feature. I love this roundup feature. That's absolutely amazing because if you spend $1, it rounds up to the nearest 10 points. So if you have $11, it rounds up to the nearest 10 points. So it always rounds up. It doesn't round down because that would mean they're taking away points from you. But they're basically giving you 9 more points if you spend $1 more. So if you spend $10 and you spend $1 more, you're going to get 20 points. If you spend $1, you're getting 10 points, and so on and so forth. As you go up, you're going to gain to the nearest 10 points. I love this feature because if you're looking to buy small things here and there, and you always make small purchases every single month, that's like a normal spending category. And I put that in quotation marks because it's probably not a normal spending category. But if you do it as a normal spending category, then you're going to round up every single time that you do it. So it's amazing to be able to do that because essentially you're gaining, let's say 10% there. So I love it. Now they also have the 10% points back up to 100,000 points, I believe it is. So if you cash in, like say 15,000 points, you're going to get 1,500 points back in your bank. So it's kind of paying you to cash out your points, which is really good. I love this card for that whole feature. Now, I know that people don't like Citi because they dropped a lot of their benefits. Actually, not recently, a while back, but I love the Citi Rewards Plus card. I love the Citi Double Cash card, not Double Cash Back card. But seriously, these two cards are amazing cards. But the Citi Rewards Plus card is a great card, and I have this. It's in my wallet. The Citi Double Cashback card is in here. I said it again. You have the Capital One Quicksilver card as the last card that's on this list. So the Capital One Quicksilver card is actually the most popular card review on my channel. If you want to check that video out, it'll be up in the cards. I don't know why. I mean, it's just an average card. It gives you 1.5% cash back, and it gives you nothing more. Maybe I was just ranked, and I'm getting these views from it, but I gain about 150 views a day from that card alone. So I absolutely love that card, and I'll continue to use it and continue to talk about it because I'm gaining views from it, and people love it. So, and it has really good cashback features. So it gives you 1.5% cash back. Nothing else, but still gives you 1.5% cash back. So these are the cards that I had on this list. These are my best cashback cards for everyday use. If you enjoy this list or if you agree with this list, hit the like button. Even if you don't agree with the list, hit the like button because it took me a while to put together, I guess, and now I'm recording it and putting time into putting everything together. So thank you for watching and hitting the like button. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you think, as well as hit the subscribe button. That helps me out so much. Seriously, it does. I've grown so much over the first year of YouTube, and I'm on the tail end of that year, and I can say that I had a successful year. To be able to grow, 3,300 subscribers and still growing from here, I am so appreciative. I seriously am. It's just unbelievable. I thought that I may get to 1,000, 2,000, but so many people support me. I love it so much. Thank you to everybody who supports me. But I do want to let you know again that I have a podcast right behind me. It films right behind me, and I upload it on Sundays. So make sure you check out that podcast. I uploaded one on Sunday, or it might have been on Monday. I don't really know at this point because I'm recording on Saturday. So I pre-record my videos. So I'm trying to really work with time, but time is not working with me. So make sure you check out that channel. Hit the link below. There's 2 links. There's one to the main podcast channel and one to the clips channel. That helps me out a lot, and you'll get a lot of valuable content out of that. But also, I do a giveaway. Every single week, I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week. And all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you do all those things, and you get 1 ticket in the hat, but if you want multiple tickets, then just comment on multiple videos. So that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, but I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.